What's up, everyone, and welcome to another daily episode where we're going to talk about Foxconn being hacked by the LockBit Ransomware gang. This is the second time in just a few years that the Mexican arm of Foxconn has fallen victim to a cyber attack like this. You know, just in case you're counting.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
LockBit first emerged as the ABCD ransomware on September 2019, which was improved to become one of the most prolific ransomware families today. Through their professional operations and strong affiliate program, LockBit operators proved that they were in it for the long haul. Thus, being acquainted with their tactics will help organizations fortify their defenses for current and future ransomware attacks. One of its notable tactics was the creation and use of the malware SteelBit, which automates data exfiltration. This tool was seen with the release of LockBit 2.0, the latest known version, which has been touted by its creators for having the fastest and most efficient encryption among its competition. In October 2021, LockBit also expanded to Linux hosts, specifically ESXi servers, in its release of Linux ESXi Locker version 1.0. This variant is capable of targeting Linux hosts and could have a big impact on targeted organizations. Hey, congratulations! You're doing a great job by wanting to learn about the ransomware attack against the Mexican arm of Foxconn. I appreciate your support by watching my episode about it. If you're new to my channel and have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel and smashing the bell to be notified when I upload new episodes where I give you the daily cyber news, as well as insights into the newest important cybersecurity news stories like this one. With my insights, you can be better prepared to protect your company, your family, and of course, yourself against these and other cyber attacks. So hit the subscribe button now and let's continue learning about this story together. Another side of LockBit's operation is its recruitment of and marketing to affiliates. It has been known to hire network access brokers, cooperate with other criminal gangs such as the now defunct Maze, recruit company insiders, and sponsor underground technical writing contests to recruit talented hackers. Using such tactics, the LockBit Group has built itself into one of the most professionally organized criminal gangs in the criminal underground. The electronics manufacturer giant Foxconn confirmed that its production plant in Tijuana, Mexico, has been impacted by a ransomware attack in late May. The LockBit ransomware gang claimed responsibility for the attack and announced that it'll release the stolen data by June 11th, 2022 at 1601 military time, or 1801, military time, if the company will not pay the ransom. The production plant is in a strategic geographic position for the reception and distribution of materials because it is located on the border with San Diego. The company said the operations at its production plant are slowly returning to normal after the attack. The company's cybersecurity team has been carrying out the recovery plan accordingly. The factory is gradually returning to normal, a Foxconn spokesperson said. The disruption caused to business operations will be handled through production capacity adjustment. That means all those Mexican workers in Foxconn in Tijuana will be working overtime. Now, the cybersecurity attack is estimated to have little impact on the group's overall operations, again, overtime. Relevant information about the incident is also provided instantly to the management, clients, and suppliers. At this time, the amount of the ransom asked by LockBit to the company is still unclear. This is the second time, again, that a Foxconn plant in Mexico was impacted by a ransomware attack. In 2020, the doppelganger hit the plant in Ciudad Juárez, Chihuahua, and demanded a $34 million ransom. It is expected for the LockBit to continue its level activity, if not increase it, in the coming months. From the discussions that are out there, LockBit also demonstrates both consistent and versatile operations that adapt to current trends that affect the threat landscape. Organizations therefore should also keep abreast of the latest shifts that could influence their own security measures. To help defend systems against similar threats, organizations could establish security frameworks that can allocate resources systematically for establishing a solid defense against ransomware. So there you have it. That's the news. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.